Are you nervous that your snowblower won't start when you need it? We'll discuss the most common problems and their solutions next at equipmentgarage.com. Improper storage is the #1 cause for a snowblower that won't start at the beginning of the season. Unstable gasoline left inside all summer long can gum up and clog your fuel lines, carburetor, and more. Every spring, drain your tank or add stabilizer to your fuel and allow the mixture to run through your machine for at least a few minutes before storing it away. Another common source of snowblower breakdowns is when consumers run over objects and debris such as newspapers, pet leashes, and toys. So take the time to clear these away before you begin snowblowing. Other components can break down from time to time, and the best way to prevent this is to get a pre-season tune-up done by a professional and for you to perform the regular maintenance suggested in your owner's manual, because there are parts to be lubricated and consumable parts to be replaced to protect your machine. Thanks for watching the Equipment Garage Gurus, where we give you tips, tricks, and need-to-know facts about outdoor power equipment. If you have a question that you'd like to see answered by our gurus, head on over to the forum and let us know. It may be featured on the next Equipment Garage Gurus.